The second component of the general core curriculum that we're going to talk about is natural and applied science. Every student coming in has to take 7 or 8 credits of natural and applied science. Now let me take a minute and explain the 7 versus 8 credit issue. The only way that you can graduate with 7 credits of science is if you take a core science course, an integrated science course. If you look on your sheet, they're identified as CORS, or CORS, 205 to 297. These are integrated science courses that are only offered for 3 credits. So those 3 credits, in conjunction with a regular science course and its lab, would total 7 credits. For most students, you will have to take 2 science courses and their 2 accompanying labs to total 8 credits. Now every year, I get a senior who comes in and says, "Andrew, I didn't take physics lab as a freshman." And so now, the only thing standing between them and graduation is a 1-credit physics lab that they have to take, but they are not taking the physics lecture. And I can assure you that physics lab is hard enough, let alone taking it without the lecture to accompany it. So make no mistake, if you are taking anything other than integrated science, you need to take the lab as well. Now most of you who are coming in on a science curriculum will have to take Chemistry 111. So let me take a minute to explain the chemistry placement. If you look at your sheet, there's a box that says chemistry placement, and it's got 4 bullets that identify the ways in which a student can get into Chemistry 111. Now, the top 3 bullets apply to everybody. The minimum ACT score, a grade of C or better in a math class. Now, most likely you'll take a math class in your first semester or your first year, so you'll be able to get that requirement out of the way. You can pass the chemistry fundamentals exam. The 4th bullet, however, is specific to transfer students who are bringing in chemistry credit from another institution of higher education. That one doesn't apply to first-year students. So again, make sure that as you're registering, you get into the appropriate science courses, and your advising contact will be able to help you identify which of these courses is best going to fit into your program, which of these science courses will best prepare you to be successful as you pursue your major. So make sure and ask your advising contact when you speak with them.